Hey guys, good evening. I hope you all are doing really fine. Well, I'm doing really fine as well. So, as per requested, today we are going to learn how to report or ignore messages on Messenger. So, to do that, firstly, open your Messenger app. After opening your Messenger app, click on the message of the person whom you are going to ignore or report. After clicking on the message, we can see the message box here. Tap on the top right corner and we can see the whole lot of options here. More actions, privacy. So we are going to privacy. Here we can see notifications, ignore message, block, report. Click on ignore message and click on ignore. After you ignore the person won't be notified that you have ignored them and you won't be able to receive their message anymore. Now let's go to report. After clicking on report, here we can see select a problem to report like harassment, suicide or self-injury, pretending to be someone else, sharing inappropriate things, hate speech, unauthorized sale, others. So click one of your problem like pretend to be someone else, and who are they pretending to be? A friend or celebrity? And let's click on me and submit the report. So I'm taking my own account for reference, so I'm not gonna report myself. So that's it. Hope you like our video. If you like our video, please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you for watching.